Hello everyone, now in the dark forest with Armytek Prime C2 Pro Max. Okay, here this one. This one is a new flashlight from Armytek, but actually it was released last year. Okay, here Prime C2 Pro Max. My version is warm light. Okay, for the max lumen 3720 lumens. For the max throw 257 lumens max. Okay, for the max throw. And just only size switch here, okay, and here only size switch, the LED XHP 70.2 about 4000K in in smooth reflector. Okay, the way to charge the battery here, you have to use a magnetic charger. Battery inside 21700, battery 5000 milliamp. Okay, let's see some details about lumens. Okay, here for the turbo, okay, it lasts about 2 minutes, and then it stepped down to about 840 lumens. Okay, turbo 3720 lumens max. Okay, about 2 minutes, and turbo 1210 lumens. This one lasts quite long, about here it say 37 minutes, and then it stepped down to about 840 lumens. Main 3 420 lumens for about 6 hours 25 minutes. Okay, for me, if I go cycling, I will usually use main 3 and turbo 1. Okay, main 2 140 lumens about 21 hours. Wow, quite long. And main 1 42 lumens about 64 hours. And fly mode, it lasts quite long. Okay, and here are strobe mode. Okay, the modes here are the same as Armytek Wizard C2 Pro Max, Wizard C2 Pro Max LR. Okay, the same modes and the same way to use the flashlight. The flashlight also comes with 2 UI, general type and advanced type. For me, I prefer advanced type. Okay, let me show you how it works. Okay, one click to turn on, one click to turn off. Okay, turn on the last memorized mode, something like that. Okay, here when you turn on here, okay, I think this one is the main group. Okay, main 1, main 2, main 3. Okay, if you want to go to turbo, you have to make 3 clicks. 1 2 3 here. This is turbo. 2 types of turbo. Turbo 1, press and hold. Turbo 2, okay, something like that. Press and hold to cycle to brightness mode. Okay, if you want to go to strobe, okay, 4 clicks from here. 1 2 3 4 here. Okay, press and hold to cycle through strobe modes. Oh, sorry, something like that. Okay, there are 3 types of strobe. If you want to go back to main mode, okay, from on, just 2 clicks. For turbo, 3 clicks, something like that. This is what I like about the UI. Okay, I will go back to main mode. Okay, here 2 clicks. Now I'm back to about main 3. Okay, here. Okay, if I want to go to fly mode, okay, very easy. 2 clicks from the main mode. 1 2 here. Okay, now fly mode. Okay, 2 types of fly 1, fly 2, something like that. Okay, to go back to main mode, 2 clicks here. Okay, or you can access fly mode from off by press and hold. Okay, something like that. Okay, very easy. For the advanced type, it can memorize all the mode. Okay, the last use mode. This is very good. Okay, and one thing to be safe when you keep this flashlight, I think you should unscrew the tail cap a little bit. Okay, to prevent the flashlight turn on in your pocket, something like that. Now, okay, you cannot turn it on. Okay, fine. Tighten again to turn it on. Okay, something like that. The same way as Armytek Wizard C2 Pro Max or Wizard C2 Pro Max LR. Okay, very easy to use. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, this is main 1 mode. Okay, for me, I like to use advanced type for the UI. Okay, I don't like general type because it is too simple. I like advanced type, so I will show you the advanced type. Okay, this is main 1. I can say main 1 is good enough for walking around. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's go to main 2. Here is main 2. Okay, it's a little bit brighter. Yeah, main 2 is good enough, okay, for walking around or maybe even cycling, but in town, something like that. Okay, let's go to main 3. Okay, here main 3 here. Main 3 is the mode, okay, that I use often for cycling, okay, or walking around the forest because it is quite bright. Okay, let's go to turbo mode. 3 clicks from here. 1, 2, 3. This one, let me check. Okay, this one turbo 1. Okay, turbo 1. It is quite bright, and I have tried this mode for cycling. It is fine. Okay, it will step down. Okay, it will step down, but it lasts quite long. Okay, according to the manual, about 37 minutes, and then it will step down to about 840 lumens, something like that. Okay, okay, let's go to turbo 2, the highest mode. Okay, here, very bright. This one lasts about 2 minutes. Okay, very bright and really good throw. What I like about Armytek flashlight is for the button. Okay, you see the light here. Okay, the light here, when you turn the flashlight on, it tells the temperature of the flashlight. Okay, green is still fine. If it goes to red, that means the flashlight is getting hot, something like that. And when I turn the flashlight off, okay, this button still work as location indicator light. Okay, you can turn the light on the switch on or off. Okay, this is very good. Here is the turbo mode. Okay, I can feel the heat here. You see that the button here show red because of the heat. Okay, overall, I think this one is good. Okay, I like its UI. It is the same as headlamp. Okay, and the size is not too big. I think it's quite smaller than what I thought. Okay, but things for improvement. Okay, things for improvement. Let me go back to about main mode. Okay, here it's stepped down already. Okay, maybe to about I think lower than turbo 1. Let me go back to about main 2. Okay, 1, 2 here. Okay, it's still brighter than main 2. Okay, this is main 3. This is main 3. Okay, things for improvement. XHP 70.2 in smooth reflector. Okay, in smooth reflector can cause some artifacts in the hotspot. Okay, I can see in my camera, you can see some purple spot in the middle of the hotspot. You see that in the center. Let me change the mode. This is main 1, I think. Oh, too bright. Okay, there's artifacts, some artifact. Okay, but very little. Okay, in the middle of the hotspot. Okay, and it's quite annoying if you use this flashlight like in town or shine it to the wall, something like that. You can see that spot. Okay, quite clear. But in the forest, that's fine. Okay, so I think in my opinion, Armytek should use OP reflector. Okay, with this LED. Okay, this is main 3. Okay, yeah, I can at about 10 meters I can still see that artifacts, okay, in the beam. Okay, so in my opinion, Prime C2 Pro Max should use orange PU reflector, OP reflector, okay, to get rid of that artifacts. Okay, for me, I don't like the beam with some artifacts in the hotspot. Okay, it's quite purple, a little purple. Okay, but if you use in the forest, okay, that's fine, no problem. But for me, I prefer clear beam. Okay, no artifacts in the beam. That is what I want. Okay, I think Armytek should pay more attention to this. Okay, here I think you may see it, something move, some purple spot in the hotspot here when I move my flashlight. Okay, just only one thing that I think Armytek should solve this problem. Okay, but overall I think this one is a good flashlight. I like its UI, the same as headlamp. Okay, I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.